In 2026, the world is witnessing a new digital gold rush, fueled by rapid advancements in technology and the growing value of virtual assets. Despite its transformative potential, this trend remains largely unnoticed by the general public. Many are focused on traditional markets, overlooking the opportunities emerging in digital spaces. As industries adapt and new platforms arise, those who recognize the shift early stand to benefit significantly. Understanding why most people are missing this wave is key to grasping its true impact. Throughout history, gold rushes have sparked waves of excitement and opportunity. From the physical hunts for precious metals in the 19th century to the digital booms of the internet age. These eras were marked by rapid innovation, intense speculation, and the promise of quick fortunes. However, many participants discovered that the greatest rewards often went to those who provided essential tools and services rather than the prospectors themselves. Lessons from these periods highlight the importance of preparation, adaptability, and a clear understanding of the risks involved. By reflecting on these past experiences, we gain valuable insights into navigating new frontiers with greater wisdom. The new digital gold rush is fueled by a convergence of groundbreaking technologies. Blockchain provides a secure and transparent foundation for digital transactions, enabling trust without the need for intermediaries. Artificial intelligence enhances data analysis and decision-making, powering smarter financial tools and platforms. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, leverages these innovations to create open, accessible financial systems that operate independently of traditional banks. Together, these technologies are reshaping the landscape of digital assets and investment opportunities. Digital assets present a range of opportunities that are often overlooked by traditional investors. Unlike conventional investments such as stocks or bonds, digital assets like cryptocurrencies and NFTs offer unique features, including decentralized ownership and global accessibility. These assets can provide exposure to emerging technologies and innovative financial systems. Additionally, the market for digital assets operates around the clock, allowing for more flexibility and rapid response to market changes. Understanding these differences can help investors recognize potential growth areas that may not be available in traditional investment channels. Entering the digital gold rush presents a variety of risks and challenges that participants must carefully consider. Cybersecurity threats, market volatility, and regulatory uncertainties can all impact the safety and success of digital investments. It is crucial to conduct thorough research, use secure platforms, and stay informed about evolving regulations. Diversifying assets and setting clear investment limits can help mitigate potential losses. By approaching the digital landscape with caution and strategic planning, individuals can better protect themselves while exploring new opportunities. Across various industries, early adopters have embraced new digital opportunities, setting powerful examples for others to follow. Their success stories highlight how innovative technologies can transform business models, streamline operations, and reach new markets. From small startups leveraging cloud-based solutions to established companies implementing advanced analytics, these pioneers have achieved remarkable growth and efficiency. Their experiences demonstrate not only the potential of digital transformation, but also the tangible benefits that can be realized with forward-thinking strategies. Embarking on the digital gold rush begins with thorough research. Start by exploring reputable online resources, such as industry blogs, educational platforms, and official guides to build a foundational understanding of digital assets. It's important to stay updated on market trends and regulations, as these can influence opportunities and risks. Beginners should consider joining online communities and forums where experienced participants share insights and advice. By taking these practical steps, newcomers can navigate the digital landscape with greater confidence and informed decision-making. The future of digital assets is poised for significant transformation as technology and regulations continue to evolve. Over the next few years, we can expect increased adoption of cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets by both individuals and institutions. Innovations in blockchain technology may lead to enhanced security, faster transactions, and broader applications beyond finance, such as supply chain management and digital identity. Regulatory frameworks are likely to become clearer, providing more stability and confidence for investors. As digital assets become more integrated into everyday life, they may reshape traditional financial systems and open new opportunities for global commerce. In summary, the emergence of new digital assets is reshaping the financial landscape at an unprecedented pace. Innovations in technology and growing mainstream acceptance are driving a surge of interest and opportunity. As regulations evolve and infrastructure improves, the barriers to entry continue to fall, making it easier for individuals and institutions to participate. Now is a pivotal moment to pay attention, as those who understand and adapt to these changes stand to benefit most from the digital gold rush. The future of wealth creation is being redefined, and awareness today could lead to significant advantages tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your time and interest in the content we've shared. Stay tuned for future updates and more informative discussions. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable insights.